morning and welcome to Karen's Kitchen. Today we are going to make my favourite beer damper. It's really simple, fail-safe, and there's only 5 ingredients. Self-raising flour, beer, salt, mixed herbs and cheese. So let's get into it. The first thing we do is about 500 grams of self-raising flour. So this is a kilo, so we'll use half of this. Okay, there's about 500 grams. Now we need about a teaspoon of salt. Doesn't matter really how much salt goes in there. Now we need some mixed herbs, and I like to put about a tablespoon or so, and it's not really here or there how much you put in. You can put any type of mixed herbs or any type of herbs in at this point. I've decided to make this a savoury damper, so I've chosen mixed herbs, but you could put cinnamon, you could put any type of spice, you could put chili, even chocolate, and fresh raspberries are really nice. After the mixed herbs, I like to put some cheese in. You can use any type of cheese here. I've just got a mix of parmesan and cheddar, and there's about a cup there. Okay, after the cheese, we're going to put some beer in. We only want to put about enough beer to make a Play-Doh consistency. So I'll just give this a little stir with this knife, and then we're just going to add some beer. You can use any beer here. I like to use pale ale just because of the flavour, but you can go any way you like. You just want to keep mixing this one until you get that Play-Doh consistency, and just using the knife only. There's no kneading required for this. The reasons you don't need to knead this is because it doesn't have any yeast in it, and we want it to be as light as possible. So the more kneading you do, the actual harder it will become. It won't be a nice soft damper, it'll be like a rock cake. Okay, this is the consistency I want. Put some flour in our hands, and we're going to pick it up, put some flour on top, and we're going to tuck the edges under. Actually, a little bit more here. Just grab this plate so I can put it on there. That's perfect. Just gonna grab a little bit of flour to put on this plate. And I'm going to cut some holes in the top. This is just for scoring, just to make it look pretty. And now we can put that in the oven. Okay. I have actually preheated the camp oven, and I've put some flour on the bottom because I wanted to see how hot it was, and the flour's not burning, which is great. Okay, I'm just going to slide this in, and now I'm going to pop the lid on, and we're going to get some nice hot coals on top, and it should take about 20 to 30 minutes. We will smell when it's ready. So there's probably only a small shovelful of coals on the bottom, and they'll be loaded up on the top, as much as I can get basically. We've got the coals on top. I don't want to check it for a good 10 minutes because I don't want to let the heat out. So in about 10 minutes I'll have a look, see that it's not burning, but it should take about 20 to 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes, I can smell the damper. I'm pretty sure it's ready. Let's have a look. Oh my God, it's perfect. Yum. This looks amazing. Let's chop it up so everyone can have a piece.
Oh, what have you got here, Karen?
Here we are, we've got some nice beer damper.
Beer damper, all right. I've been waiting all day for this one.
Awesome.
Oh, that is fantastic. Texture, fantastic. Absolutely awesome with the herbs. You know what? I'm gonna have a couple of pieces of this. This is great, well done.
You're welcome. Well, thanks for watching, guys. And if you'd like to see more of our recipes, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.